seeing the devastation of homes and businesses, of people in our community, seeing what has happened to them has been a very challenging time for all of us.
And this is a pretty residential spot. This is a neighborhood with homes really close together.
I am an LA native, and unfortunately, wildfires is not something new to me. This specific event is tragic. It has devastated so many homes, so many people are displaced. It breaks my heart to see what's happening, Ted.
Right now we are in Altadena, and this entire community has been affected by the fires. We had one of our coworkers over here lived up here. He lost everything. It's been devastating.
All these red circles here are people that lost their homes. Hundreds of homes that we have here, and that's what we're tasked out here to do, is to get all this plant replaced.
We have maintenance teams all actively out in the areas restoring services and bringing everything back up as quickly as possible. I specifically had a construction team out late last night restoring services to a fire station. The community around the fire station was completely devastated and burned to the ground.
We had miles of fiber optics placed temporarily. Normally should have took over a week. Got it done in 2 days. We have a long road to go. This effort is tremendous. It's something we've never seen before, and I appreciate and so very proud of our employees.
Trying to get out here and just help the community is really what's pushing all of us forward.
This is my community. This is where my friends and family are. So to be able to help and try to give them some sort of normalcy, it's very rewarding.
Beyond what we have to do every single day, we also have to help rebuild these communities. We have millions of customers that depend on us every day for their connectivity service. We have to continue to exceed their expectation.